I have to comment on this part that you mentioned about the defection, right? Because, sometimes we have a very misplaced understanding of even loyalty. First of all, just going by the facts of Mahabharata, Karna wanted that war as much as Duryodhan did. He was instrumental in ensuring that Duryodhan does not back out. When every single person, including his parents, were of the opinion that we need to protect the family and the people and not fight. Okay? But Karna was the only one who ensured that Duryodhan does never compromise. And both of them together led to a destruction of 50 lakh warriors. Yeah, very nice, huh? He didn't defect. What did that lead to? So, if you are standing in your loyalty with adharma and feeling proud about it, that is absolutely stupid. Okay? On the other hand, we have somebody like Vibhishan. Did he defect? Yes. What was that for? The problem is that we focus too much on black and white of actions rather than the principle of it. Vibhishan, when they were doing their tapasya and all that, Ravan wanted immortality, right? The one thing that Vibhishan asked for was Param apad gatasya api dharme me matir bhava. Whatever be the situation, however bad be the situation, whatever be the calamity, let my mind and my heart and my buddhi always be into dharma. Now, what is dharma? Dharma is dharayati iti dharma, one that sustains and leads to progress and prosperity versus leading to destruction. What do we want our leaders to do? Be loyal for the heck of it, or stand by that which leads to the betterment of the society? I think the issue is very much in our understanding of the concepts. And when those are not understood, obviously we'll do wrong things. We have wrong expectations, right? Now, what is it that we can do now? Again, I think when our rishis were writing the Niti Shastra and all that, they understood what an individual is, right? Not every individual can be like Raja Sagar or Raja Sriram or others. But they gave us how do I say, they gave us the concept. And the concept is, what is it that will lead to a successful administration? And they say, so very, very, very important again. When Yudhishthira and Bhishma are talking, Yudhishthira asks Bhishma, what is that one foremost priority for a Raja? Now, what do you think he would have said? Any guesses? What do you think? What is the foremost priority or foremost thing that a Raja has to do? This is the question asked. Bhishma answers, but I just want to know from anybody, what do you think he would have said? Anything that you think is important for a Raja or a leader or whatever? Raja ka welfare? Anybody else? Dharma? You know what he says? Very interestingly, he says, Atma Jaya, self-discipline, self-control, controlling all your indriyas, controlling your likes and dislikes. That is the foremost responsibility of the Raja. Because a Raja who does not even win over himself, what will he win over the others? Right? So that again is the very simple but such a profound concept. Now, how do you put that in action? Can you ensure all the Rajas, all politicians, especially today, in such a setup be like that? Absolutely not. So what does Chanakya do? Again, Artha Shastra. The issue is when we talk about Arthashastra, we only talk about policy and kutilta and foreign policy and all that. Is that important? Absolutely. But for me, the most important chapter of Arthashastra is the first chapter, which is Vinayadhikaranam. In Vinayadhikaranam, the whole focus is on training and education of the prince. And in that training and education, the foremost importance, of course, all the policies and Niti Shastra and Danda Niti and all that. Again, it is about how do you develop the personality, a self-disciplined personality of the prince. How do you apply it today? I think it's very difficult to enforce it that way, right? But when people are wanting to come into politics, or especially into administration, like the Babus, the IAS, right? Can we have some of these ideas at least being taught to them? ideas about where loyalty matters, idea about what is dharma, idea about what is it that we should cherish and glorify, right? Some of those things that tell them that it is not just about them. It is not about only your खाना पीना and all that. वो करना है तो आप बाकी सब करो ना, है कॉर्पोरेट, आप बाकी सब करो या वो करके आ जाओ. आपको अगर पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है, लीडरशिप में जाना है, यू कांट जस्ट कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट मेरा घर भर जाए, मेरा पेट भर जाए. देन दिस इज नॉट द राइट प्रोफेशन फॉर यू, राइट? कैन यू एनफोर्स इट? No, but can you expect it? Definitely, and we should. Thank you.